Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Changing the battery in your Conga 990 is a straightforward process that can be done at home with the right tools. In this guide, we will walk you through each step to ensure you can complete the task efficiently. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement battery that is compatible with the Conga 990. Begin by turning off your Conga 990 and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment, which is usually found at the bottom of the device. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. It's a good idea to clean this area with a soft cloth to ensure optimal performance. If you find it challenging to clean, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you identify any underlying issues. Now carefully disconnect the old battery. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out if it's stuck. Take note of how the battery is connected, as you will need to replicate this with the new battery. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it in the same manner as the old one. Ensure that the connections are secure to avoid any power issues later on. After connecting the new battery, place the battery cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before you finish, it's wise to test the device. Plug it back in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, if you find that the process is too daunting, or if you prefer a professional touch, remember that we offer no calls, no travel services, making it easy for you to get your Conga 990 serviced without any hassle. With these steps, you should now have a fully functioning Conga 990 with a new battery. Regular maintenance will help prolong the life of your device, so keep an eye on its performance and don't hesitate to contact us for any further assistance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.